Verifying your Bitget crypto account doesn't have to be a hassle. Join me, I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. But first, why is verification important? It ensures you comply with Kenyan regulations, it keeps your account secured, and protects your funds along with the entire Bitget community. Let's get started. Step 1. Download the Bitget app from the Play Store or App Store, then tap Open. Click Continue, then Get Started. Here, you can create your account using the email, phone number, or log in with a Google or Apple ID or Telegram. Let's use email for this example. Create a strong password, at least one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, and a number. Once done, verification code will be sent to your email. Copy it and paste it here. You can also enable biometric for quick and secure logins later. Now it's time to verify your account. Tap Verify. You need a government-issued document and a quick face verification. This keeps your account safe and meets the Kenyan KYC requirements. Tap Verify now. Select Kenya as your country of residence and Kenya again for the document issuing country. Choose your ID type, national ID, driving license, or passport. Consent to data processing, then start. Take a clear photo of the front of your ID, keep it within the green frame, and make sure all text is readable. Now flip the ID card and capture the back side in the same way. Your photos will be uploaded automatically and will be checked for accuracy. Before we move on, here are some tips to make sure your verification is approved quickly. Use a clear or well-lit photo. Avoid blurriness or shadows. Only one Bitget account per person. No duplicate KYC details. Make sure your ID is valid and not expired. Use original documents, no laminated documents or altered copies. Your face must match the face on the ID exactly. Now let's complete the KYC verification. Click Continue, center your face in the frame, look straight at the camera and hold still. The photo will be automatically captured and uploaded. Tip: good lighting helps speed up the approval process. That's it, your level 1 verification is done and will be processed in some few minutes. And you receive an email when you've been approved. You can now buy Bitcoin with M-Pesa, trade to P2P, and withdraw to M-Pesa or your bank account right from the application. You are all set. Log into your verified Bitget Kenyan account, deposit your funds, and start trading smarter with Bitget.